The architect didn't want to interrupt the daytime aesthetic. We wove in products which would fit with his brief. Every single light that you can see in here, minus the two pendants, is using our ultra-low glare lens. This is unashamedly a modern home with a lot of clear structural lines. Sometimes they need to be softened, and a good nighttime aesthetic can be achieved through using a warmer colour temperature. The clarity of the light, the crispness of the light is superb. It's just unparalleled. Switch lighting products in this house, it was very, very easy to specify. They all share the same chipset. We have the best company in the world in Japan that supplies it to us, and we've had a very long-term relationship with them. The hue, the saturation, everything is the same, it's just the form factor's changed. In this room in particular, it's an impressive view, and so it was very important that we perimeter lit this space from the wall side, not from the glass side. There's no light in the foreground. Directly above, we've actually just got some of our Zella tilt fittings with the ultra-low glare lens. Switch lighting Ciro, which is a ceiling washer, it's an optical ceiling washer, so it literally projects the light out across the ceiling. We've used that in a few key areas. One of them is in the television room. It's putting a soft light on the ceiling, therefore you're not getting any light reflected in the TV screen. Switch lighting pendant lights, which is a new product of ours. In the case here, we deployed them with an ultra-low glare lens again and a 40-degree beam angle. Provides about 800 or 900 lux on the counter, simply because dark colours just eat the light. The central core of the stairwell has got these fantastic freeform louvers. The architect was very keen to illuminate them, and we just put 4 standard Zella tilt down lights shining down these freeform slats, and that's really how we illuminate the stairwell. In the bathrooms, we use a fantastic little product, and that's our little switch lighting deep mini. So it's great for wet areas. You literally could hose it down. The nighttime aesthetic is often overlooked. We walk into a home and yes, the island counter might be well illuminated. There's something more to it. There's that intangible. And if you walk into a home which can be very functional, but then flicking a couple of switches, it's suddenly a moody, soft environment. Well, that can just be achieved so easily. You need good products, you need good placement, you need good technical service, and that can be achieved.